Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new tutorial video on ActCAD. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Sorry I haven't posted much tutorials recently, I just got a new computer and we got that all set up now. But we're back and we're going to be posting more tutorials now. So let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be talking about how to draw circles. So to draw a circle is very easy. All you have to do is head up to the command prompt and click the circle center radius option. Then go back down to the drawing space and then click your starting point, wherever you want it to go. I'll make mine here. Then you just draw your circle by drawing your radius, then you click, and there you go, you have a circle. Now the other way of drawing a circle is with the use of the command prompt, which is down at the bottom. So you type C for circle, and you press enter, then just like before you choose your starting point, then make your radius, and then you can draw another circle. And there we go, another circle. Now if you have the dimensions of your circle, that could be the radius or the diameter, you can use that to draw a circle on here as well. You type circle again, and then you choose your starting point, and then here it says, if you look at the command prompt, it says diameter / radius. So if you want to write the diameter, you type D for diameter, and it'll say diameter of circle. Then you can type in your diameter down there, make it 150, and there we have a 150 diameter circle. Now you can do the same thing with radius. You just choose your starting point, and then you type R, and it'll be the radius option. So you type in your radius, make that 100, and that'll be the radius. Now if you want to check any dimensions of any circle, all you have to do is click on it, then type list in the command prompt, and it'll come up with this little window. On this window you can see all the dimensions as the area, the circumference, and the radius, which is 75. Alright, so another way to find the dimensions of a circle or any shape that you're drawing is the use of properties. So to find the properties is you select your shape, then you right click and a menu will pop up. Then at the bottom here you'll find the properties option. Once you click that, a menu will come up to the side labeled properties. This is called the properties palette. So on here you can see the dimensions, either radius, diameter, circumference, and area, and a bunch of other features like the color, the layer, and the materials, so you can mess around with those. Now the really cool thing about this is you can change the dimensions from this palette right here, and it'll change the dimensions of the shape. So if you want to change the diameter from 800, we'll change that to 80. And then you'll see the shape got significantly smaller. You can do the same with the radius. Change the radius from 40 to 400. And then it gets bigger. And the circumference, change that to 24. And back to tiny. Then the area, change that to 500. That'll become slightly bigger. So you can change any dimension from here and it'll affect the shape and adjust it to be that specific. Now if you notice, when you type in the circle command, you'll see there's various different options that come up as well. These are different methods that you can use for drawing a circle. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is the 2-point command. To activate this, type 2p in the command prompt, and then it'll ask you to select the first point on the diameter. This command allows you to choose 2 points to make your circle. So for this example, we'll use this line and we'll choose the first side, then ask you to choose the second point. We'll go to the other side of this line, choose the second point, and it'll make a circle connecting this point and this point, as you can see here. The next method is the 3-point method. To activate this, just type 3p in the command prompt and it'll activate it. This is pretty much the same as the first method, except it's just 3 points instead of 2. So you specify your first point, then your second point, then your third point. As you can see, it'll make a circle touching all 3 of these points. Now the next command is TTT. We'll be skipping tan, rad, because I'm having some difficulties understanding how that works, and I've contacted the programmers so they can help me explain that a bit better. So I'll explain that in a later video. So right now we'll be talking about TTT, which is tangent. So to type that in, you just type TTT, and then choose to search, select the first point of the circle. This will use a triangle, select the first point, then the second point, then the third point, and this will make a circle touching all 3 of these points. So it makes a circle touching 3 of these lines in the middle of that triangle. So the next command is arc. This command turns an arc into a full circle. I'll be making a video in the future talking in depth about how to draw arcs and everything, but right now I'll just be using this basic arc right here. Now to activate this command, you just type A for arc, and it says select arc to convert to circle. Select this arc right here, and as you can see, it'll convert to a full circle. Now the final command on how to draw a circle is multiple. Now to activate multiple, you just type M, and that'll be multiple. And so you can just draw a normal circle. You can use any method you want. I'll just draw a basic circle. And multiple will make a duplicate circle, and you can put it wherever you want. So I can put one here. Then you can keep going for as much as you want. And then you can just right click to stop. And you can draw multiple circles at once, the same dimensions. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. This has been how to draw a circle in ActCAD. If you want to learn more about ActCAD, you can head to their website. The link will be in the description and go check them out. And hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and see you next.